A very good morning, students. Welcome back once again. Today we will start the new chapter. Unit 4. Once I saw a little bird. So the contents are the poem, new words, rhyming and opposite words, and question and answer. So students, first let's see what is the poem about. The synopsis of the poem. This poem precisely shows the affection of a kid towards a bird. The kid is the speaker of the poem, and the kid tells that he or she saw a little bird come and hop at the window. The words I created show the amazement which the kid feels to see the bird near the window. The kid asks the bird that if it could stop. Then, by the time the kid reaches the window to ask the bird of its well being, the little bird flies away. So, let's see. Yes, in this poem, we also see how innocently the kid asks the bird if it would stop at the window for a while. Kids are so fond of the mother nature. They get fascinated by the animals, birds, and plants around them. The affection of the kid in the poem towards the bird can be seen by the usage of words like little bird, little tail, and how the kid cries at the amazement of watching the bird at the window. So come, we will see the poem. So students, let's recite the poem. Unit 4. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Now, students, let's sing the poem. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So students, today enjoy the poem. So students, be safe, have a blessed day. Thank you for today. Till the next class. Bye. Read the poem again and again today.